most of our amendments seek to reduce the powers or the involvement of regional political parties in party primaries. So what was her role to appear before the committee? Was she to defend her involvement at that particular level? So that is what we felt is completely unprocedural, irregular, and fishy.
Even if she's to say nothing?
Absolutely, because she has not been given any mandate by Kenyans specifically on what we were to do today, considering that the bill was at third reading.
Parliament doesn't legislate for individuals or for particular political parties. Legislates for the country.
Okay. Then Owen will do Swahili.
Yeah, thank you.
What its fate is.
The amendments still stay, and it's not one. I have several amendments. Today's appearance before the committee, as my colleagues have stated, was basically to try and see whether we can harmonize between ourselves and the committee, because the chairman is expected to move the bill. And as he moves the bill, if there are areas that you can agree, then you can even agree before. Some of the amendments can be adopted in the normal circumstances. When people use reason, can even be adopted by the committee because they could be helpful. However, this morning, so therefore the members here, all of the members here in this press conference,